This is a demo of the synchronized scrolling in GTT. The problem that we're looking at is feedback from linguistic reviewers that find unproductive the two panes, source and target, in a synchronized way for review purposes. And the problem in GTT is substantially different than how it was tackled in World Server. This is a screenshot provided by Danny in Italy of World Server screenshot. And as you can see, World Server solves the side-by-side view by showing two text boxes. It's pretty easy to show two text boxes side by side, and when the translated message is bigger or longer, visualize a scroll bar at the side. Substantially different because GTT instead provides a WYSIWYG view, so it's a full rendering of the translation of the content down to little bitmaps. As you can see here, we have a bitmap of the lab's icon. So as you can see, there's no synchronized scrolling. What the reviewers can do at the moment is using the edit box and control down or control up. So this is the only current way for a reviewer to navigate in a sort of synchronized way. But as you can see, the highlight is on the source screen, so you can see what sentence source you're looking at. But really what you are reviewing lacks all the visual data that you have in the fully rendered view, so that even the icon there is not visible anymore. There is a placeholder. It's not as rich as it should be. I'll give you a better idea if we go down to the advanced settings. In this case, yeah, you click and get synchronized, but as you can see, it becomes pretty hard to review stuff like this. If I go control down, it gets full of placeholders. It's quite unreadable from a reviewer who would simply like to scroll and review very quickly and hoping that the source synchronizes. However, there is a cool, quick way to achieve this currently in GTT without further development. The trick is in the text is in the edit box, and this little arrow here allows to undock it. Once you undock it, and I chose to place it at the top of the frames here. Maybe the only thing missing here is a little button that says hide, but let's leave it there because it actually provides a handy way to quickly change the translations as needed. As you can see, once you have undocked it, the highlight is on both panes, and the rendering is still there beautifully. And all you need to do is to click Control down to go to the place you want. As you can see exactly all the full rendering, down to the hard example I was showing earlier on. Here, the advanced overlay. You see translations here ready to be edited, but the rendering is here full. Let's get into the thick of the placeholders. As you can see, I can review perfectly with all the bookmarks, and all the placeholders and the links. And even here I can see nicely. And if I want to change anything, I can go to the edit box. I think it's a good demo of how scrolling is already available. Even if I want to do same, changing overall, scrolling down to the source and clicking back, resynchronizes everything, and everything is always side by side. I hope the reviewers and the translators will find this tip useful. Thank you.